Hey, future astronauts and quiz champs! Welcome to GK Quiz Game On, where learning is always fun and facts are out of this world. Today, we're diving deep into the stars with 10 mind-blowing space GK questions, perfect for Olympiads, competitive exams, or just showing off how smart you are. Let's begin! The first question coming up. Which planet has the longest day in the solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Saturn. And the answer is C. Venus. Wow! Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate just once. That's actually longer than its year. Mind blown? I know I am. All right, moving on to the next one. What is the name of the first artificial satellite sent into space? A. Voyager 1, B. Sputnik 1C, Hubble D, Apollo. And the answer is B. Sputnik 1. Launched by the USSR in 1957, this little guy officially kicked off the space age. So cool, right? Let's keep this brain train rolling. What is the largest moon in the solar system? A. Titan, B. Ganymede, C. Europa, D. Luna. The answer is B. Ganymede. It's one of Jupiter's moons, and get this, it's even bigger than Mercury. Zooming ahead to the next question. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Neptune. And the answer is B. Mars. It gets its red color from iron oxide, basically space rust. Let's fly into the next one. What galaxy do we live in? A. Andromeda, B. Milky Way, C. Whirlpool, D. Sombrero. The answer is B. Milky Way. Yep, we live in a spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy, kind of like living in one swirl of a giant cosmic lollipop. Still with me? You're doing amazing! Which planet has the most moons? A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. And the answer is A. Saturn. Over 80 moons and still counting. Saturn's having a full moon party every night. Now for a fun fact question. What does NASA stand for? A. National Aerospace Academy, B. North American Space Agency, C. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, D. New Age Space Association. And yep, the answer is C. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA's been leading the U.S. space game since 1958. Time for another starry surprise. Which planet has a great red spot? A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Mars. The answer is C. Jupiter. It's a massive storm that's been raging for over 300 years. Talk about dramatic weather? Okay, smarty pants. Here comes the next one. What is a light year? A. Time taken by light to reach Earth. B. Distance. Light travels in 1 year. C. Brightness of a star. D. Age of a star. And the answer is B. Distance light travels in 1 year. That's a jaw-dropping 9.46 trillion kilometers. Space is huge! All right, final space blast for today. Who was the first human to travel into space? A. Neil Armstrong, B. Buzz Aldrin, C. Rakesh Sharma, D. Yuri Gagarin. The answer is D. Yuri Gagarin. Back in 1961, he orbited Earth in Vostok 1, the first ever space traveler. Phew, you made it through and you crushed it. Feeling smarter already? Tap that follow button and keep leveling up with every video we drop. Got a topic you're curious about next? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to explore it with you.